Hi Kaylee, welcome to SnapMath. Thank you for sending in your calculus question tonight. So we're looking at this cylinder right here. And it says that the radius of the cylinder is going to be 72. So I'm assuming that this picture is a typo right here and they just switched up the numbers. So what the question says is that the strength is jointly proportional to the breadth and the depth squared, the square depth of this beam right here. So they give us the radius of this, so we can actually break this up. So this is kind of what it looks like right here. This triangle right here is going to look like this triangle I've drawn right here. So it's 72 is the two things. So we can actually define these two variables to each other using the Pythagorean theorem, right? The hypotenuse squared equals b squared plus d squared. So from here, what we can do is we can solve for d squared, and then we're going to plug that back into this original problem right here. So to do that, we're going to say that this is minus b squared equals d squared. So we have d squared equals this, and we have d squared right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug that in right here. 144 squared minus b squared. Then we're going to distribute that b, so it's 144 squared b minus b cubed. And then to do this problem, we're going to maximize this. So what we want to do is we're going to take the derivative of the strength function right here with respect to the breadth. So to do that, we'll say S prime is going to be 144 squared minus 3b squared. All right? And to find the maximum value, you're going to solve for where this function is equal to 0. So where is this equal to 0? Well, 144 squared minus 3b squared. And then, so we'll say minus 144 is equal to negative 3b squared. And then, we'll squared. And then you divide it by negative 3b squared. You square root both sides. And we finally get b equals, if we plug that into our calculator, 83.1. So that's our breadth, where the strength is going to be maximized. It's going to be the strongest. Now to find the depth of it, we're going to just use the Pythagorean theorem again right here. So we're going to plug our breadth in. So it's 144 squared minus, or equals, 83.1 squared plus d squared. And then if we just use our calculators, 0.1 squared equals d squared, and take the square root of both sides, d is going to equal 117.6. And these are in centimeters. The whole problem's in centimeters. All right, Kaylee? Thank you for sending in your question, and we look forward to answering more of your questions in the future. Have a good night.